In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a no-reply email in Outlook. By the end, you'll have an automated message that informs people their reply won't be seen and points them to the right place for help. First, sign into Outlook.com in your web browser. In your inbox, click the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. If you see Automatic Replies immediately, select it. If not, scroll down and choose View All Outlook Settings. In the Full Settings window, select Mail, then Automatic Replies. Turn on Automatic Replies to have Outlook send a message automatically whenever someone emails you. You can schedule it for a specific time period if you want a temporary no-reply or leave it off to run continuously. Next, compose your no-reply message. Keep it clear, brief, and helpful. For example, "This is an automated message. Please do not reply as it is not monitored. For assistance, contact alternative email or phone number." Replace the bracketed section with an appropriate support channel and avoid personal or sensitive details. Choose a friendly but firm tone. If you want replies sent to people outside your organization, enable that option to ensure external contacts also receive your message. Once satisfied with the message and schedule, click Save. Now, anyone emailing this account will receive your automated no-reply based on your rules. You can revisit Automatic Replies to adjust dates, update the message, or turn it off. That's it. You've created a professional no-reply email in Outlook that reduces inbox noise and directs people to the proper support channel.